Hey guys, so today we're gonna go ahead and install the exhaust tips vzp100109 on the 2020 Charger Daytona. So you're gonna need a 13mm socket, and you're gonna go ahead and loosen up this bolt that is holding your clamp together. That should be loose enough. You're gonna use a crowbar and you're gonna pull it down, and then your exhaust tip. This puny little thing is getting replaced with this big old thing.
You might want to compare the sizes.
Welcome to the black hole.
Damn, it literally like fits inside.
Then once it's like slightly tightened, you could go ahead and adjust it to however you like. So there, it's straight for me. So I'm just gonna finish it up. That's it. That's a big old upgrade from
Wide body exhaust.
these.
Just compare the size.
You ain't gotta worry about cleaning your chrome tips no more. So whatever you did on that side, you're gonna do on this side. So we're loosening it up with the bolt. Can somebody put on the comments how low is the scat pack from the floor? I'll give you a good key. So that's a wrap, guys. We successfully installed the exhaust tip on the Dodge Charger. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know how many inches does the scat pack off the floor. Exhaust system coming soon. November, December, January. Happy New Year's.